Right when you think you've had enough snow, what happens? You get more. This is February 24th, JDS Flying Canuck. See far away there. You can see it's going to come in pretty good. You can't even see over there. So this is going to last for, I think, into the night, and it possibly may go till tomorrow. So we'll see here. Just can't get a break down here. This is the start of it. Imagine what it'll be like later. There's no wind, but it's just coming down. That looks pretty cool, actually. If I can get a few snowflakes here coming at me. There we go. Just floating, eh? There's like chunks. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, JDS Flying Canuck over and out. Hope you enjoyed the fluffy snow. There we go. Look over there. Try and zoom in again. Look down there, eh? Okay. Over and out. Take it easy. Bye-bye.